In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a click to tweet button to your Blogger website so that user can click on the button and easily share your content to Twitter. So let's check how you can do that. So first of all, you need to log into your Blogger dashboard and you need to open your existing post, or you can create a new post here. And here let me type click to tweet and I need to paste a code here. So let me copy the first click to tweet style here and let me paste it here like this. Now you can change the tweet content here. So you can change this text and you can add hashtag, you can add links, etc. And after that you need to click on publish, and as you can see that we have the click to tweet button added here. So you can increase the size of this click to tweet button. So let me click on that, and here we have set the maximum width to 500. So let me change that to 900, and you can increase the border from 2 pixel to 4 pixel like this, and let me update it and let me refresh it like this. Now when I click on click to tweet button, it will automatically go to the Twitter and add that text that we have added in the backend. Now user can click on the post and your tweet will be published on Twitter. So this is how you can add a click to tweet button to your Blogger website. Now let's check a different style of click to tweet button. So for this, let me quickly remove that and let me select the second style here and let me click on here. Now you can also change the tweet content here in this paragraph block, and here you can adjust the width of the click to tweet box. So let me change that to 400 pixel. Let me update that, and here as you can see that our click to tweet button is added. So let me click on that, and now it will take the content and user can click on post button. So this is how the click to tweet button work. So either you can use the style 1 or style 2 on your Blogger website, and you can further customize the style according to your layout. Like you can increase the width of this click to tweet box. So let me increase the max width to something like 600 pixel, and let me update that and let me refresh that. As you can see that the width of the click to tweet button increased. Now let me change it to mobile view. So let me select iPhone SE, and this is how it looks in iPhone SE. Let me change it to iPhone XR, or let's iPhone 12 Pro. So this is how the click to tweet button works. Now you can also increase the size of this tweet content. Just click on here, and here is the tweet text. So let me increase the value from 16 pixel to 19 pixel. Let's update that and let me refresh it. And as you can see that the tweet text has increased. So this is how you can further customize this tweet box, change the border color, change the button color, or increase the width according to your website layout. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to join our Telegram group where you can share your doubts about blogging, SEO and other things. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.